The ability of person to sense or pinpoint the point of mechanical stimulation on skin is called tactile localization, and the closest the two stimuli can be to each other and still be distinguished as separate stimuli is called tactile or two-point discrimination. Each sensory neuron receives information from a particular sensory area called its receptive field. The smaller the receptive field, the more precise is the encoding of stimulus localization. For example, the receptive fields of the fovea are the smallest within the eye. Similarly, the receptive fields within the fingertips are much smaller than those on the hands and back, where it is difficult to localize the point of stimulus. All the sensory neurons from various parts of the body project to specific areas in sensory cortex, which is called topographic representation. An activation of a particular area in brain by its specific neuron helps body to localize point of stimulus. Tactile localization can be made more precise by phenomenon of lateral inhibition. Without lateral inhibition, the two stimuli are recognized as separate only if they are placed in receptive fields that are separated from each other by a non-stimulated receptive field. Lateral inhibition can decrease the two-point threshold by reducing the discharge of the neurons, innervating the receptive field in the center, and making it apparent to the central nervous system that two stimuli are present. Tactile localization and discrimination can be deranged in various disorders affecting its pathway, that is, receptor damage as is seen in burns, damage to neuronal pathways as seen in peripheral neuropathies or spinal cord pathways, and damage to central nervous system as seen in pathology affecting somatosensory cortex.